Let's do the count, guys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,000, 100, 200. It's 20,200, guys and gals. Now my coins, guys and gals, turned into peso bills. Congratulate me, guys and gals. It really pays to work hard. So guys and gals, I am encouraging each one of you to save money as always, either it's coins or peso bill. Life is some kind of unpredictable, guys and gals. So do it right now. Save money as you can. Love yourself, love your family, invest, save.